This is Harper and Diego's AKC Standard Poodle litter. And Carly has the turquoise female. Turquoise ribbon female. You're going to have to watch your hands because I couldn't see the color. Okay, take the next one. This is the lime green female. There you go. That's better.
Green.
And this is the green ribbon male. Okay. And this is the pink ribbon female. We're in a little bit of a hurry because I only had 2 minutes left on my thing. I have to go remove some videos. And this is the black ribbon male. This is the sable male. Whoop. Okay. What are you two doing down here? This is the purple ribbon female. Slide the other side. Okay. You don't need the orange yet either, I don't think. This is the red ribbon male. Okay. And this is the orange ribbon male. Okay.
I think that's it.
I think we got them all. And we'll just let them play for a minute. Nobody wants to play with the little stuffed animal? Well, that was my hose getting turned on. That's the lime green chasing Carly. Oh my. No,